I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. This is the place where I prepare simple, delicious and budget friendly recipes. So if you're looking for something like that, you stick around and I'll share recipes every week. Today I want to share with you one simple dish. It's roasted cauliflower with crumbled feta and crushed almonds, and we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of parsley and lemon juice. Simple, easy and delicious, right? So I've been doing this recipe for a couple of weeks for my customers, and I actually love the simplicity and the flavor and the look of this dish, so that's why I decided to share it with you. So okay, let's do it, right? So I have a different angle here. I am by myself in this kitchen. Usually David is here to help me, but he is playing golf today, so like, you know what, it's my day off, I'm not doing anything, so why don't I do that? So I like to cut the cauliflower so there will be no close-ups and all these, you know, fancy things. So I like to cut it in a bite-sized pieces because this way it's kind of easy to eat, right? And it's fast to roast. Okay, I have just, you know, like quarter of the cauliflower that's left over from one of my projects. There you go. And I'm just, you know, as you see, I'm just cutting it in a smaller pieces, like kind of smaller florets, not chopping, nothing fancy. You can do it, everybody can do it, even kids can do it, right? All right, cauliflower is ready. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, of course, and we need some pepper. Just gonna kind of mix it. Make sure that every piece of cauliflower is coated with oil because that helps like roasting it evenly. And it only takes about 20-25 minutes in the oven, I think. I never measure the time. I always like check and smell. But I think it's just about that. So if you're kind of the person who likes to set up the timer, you can always set up the timer for 15 minutes and then check and just see how it goes. Okay? All right. I'm gonna pop this in the oven and work on the rest of my ingredients. So we're gonna break this feta into chunks, just you know, little chunks like that. There you go, and it's ready, right? Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna chop the parsley. All right, this is ready too. And I'm just gonna crush those almonds just with my knife. You can do it in a food processor, but you know, why waste it? Like, you know, why make it dirty and then you have to wash it? Who needs that? These lemons are from San Diego, California. My daughter sent them yesterday and they are actually the best, juiciest, fragrant, the most fragrant lemons I've ever seen. So I am so happy. I was so happy to get the package yesterday. So it's like, you know, when you have this like 5 lemons, you just want to like treasure it. I'm like, I cannot use it, they are so precious. So funny. Anyway, all right, we're done. We can have a drink now. All right, 15 minutes later, check our cauliflower. And they are actually looking good. We can give more time, maybe 5 more minutes. But you know what? I'm just gonna use it. And the last step is to put everything together. Actually started drinking my wine, even though it's 2:30 Friday. Who cares? Okay, that goes into our mixing bowl, and then we just add the feta, almonds, parsley, and just stir. Okay, mix everything together. I'm gonna add a little more black pepper. just love that. And you can add any seasoning that you guys like paprika or za'atar spices will be good in that. I'm gonna move it in my beautiful serving bowl. This is enough for 2 people. I'm gonna save it for David because when I told him that I was making this salad, the roasted cauliflower, he's like, I want to have that too. So I'm gonna save some for him. And today is one of my Georgian friends' birthday, Maya's birthday. Maiko tzotzkolauri gilotsav dabatebis dres. She is actually my best friend's friend, and I met her last summer in Georgia when I was there for my best friend's wedding. And she's amazing. She is beautiful in and out, and I want to wish her everything good in her life and happy life, and you know, lots of love and lots of good things. Happy birthday, Michael. Calmardros. I forgot to drizzle my San Diego lemon juice here. We need that for sure for the flavor, guys. So good. Hope you enjoyed it. I promised to make this recipe for one of my friends that I've never met, but she's my Facebook friend from one of the food groups in Georgia, Katerina, and I promised her to do this recipe, so that is for her and for everybody. You know, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to subscribe, and I promise I'll share more healthy, budget-friendly, and delicious recipes every week. Bye-bye.